To customize the Windows lock screen. Hey everyone, the lock screen is the first thing you see when you boot up your PC. Today, we'll show you how to personalize it with a cool background or fun slideshow in under 2 minutes. The Windows lock screen allows you to change the background image or set up a slideshow. You can also choose to display system information like the current time and data. Open the Settings app, click Personalization, select lock screen from the left-hand menu. And here you have 3 options for the lock screen background: a picture, a slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. Click on your preferred option and browse or select the desired images. Under lock screen status, you can choose to display information for specific apps like weather, calendar events, or sports scores. This adds a touch of functionality to your lock screen. With a customized lock screen, you can express your personality or interests right from the login screen. By following these steps, you can create a lock screen that reflects your style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows customization tips.